I'm James Fisher, this is Vintage Insight Photography, and today we're going to be looking at the Samtian, what they call the LED video conference light. Let's get to it. A while back, Samtian reached out to me and asked if I'd be willing to review and look over this little video light that they have, a little portable light, and if I could do a quick review on it. I said sure, and they did send me this. We've agreed that I would do a totally honest review. That's going to be good for you for a couple things I'm going to mention about this. Now, I have been into this box already, but we're going to open it up really quick. It's not exactly as it was packed in here, but in here we have the USB-C charging cable, the light itself, which is right here. Let's pull it out. Pretty simple. There's an on-off switch right here, dim right here, as you can see, and color CT, that stands for color temperature on this guy. It did come with a couple of fun accessories. One is this one right here that has a cold shoe on it that this unit will mount onto and of course tighten down just like that. We've got kind of sort of like a GoPro-ish ratchet here. You know, I have not tried to see if this interfaces with any GoPro accessories. We should probably do that. Then it's got this interesting little clip here. It's kind of padded on the one side. You press this and it opens up and then it closes. I don't know, maybe this goes on a windshield or something. It'd be something fairly thin that it would clip onto to kind of hold the light. It also came with this guy here, which is really kind of cute. It's a little tripod with little bendy legs. That's kind of neat. I don't know if it would actually twist and hold on to something. And then it's got a 1/4-20 screw and some kind of a little clip. I don't know, so you can clip it on your pocket or something, I guess. This is a 1/4-20 thread on the bottom, so this can screw right into here. And there you go right there. It's kind of lined up oddly with this clip off on the side. These things splay out. Let's get this box out of the way here. We'll open up like this, and you've got to kind of spread them apart a little ways like that, and then the light will set. So you got a little mini tripod. You can set this light up and it'll work. But here's what we really want to see. Let's turn it on. We press and hold this and boom, light comes on and we do get light. We get light out of it. Looks kind of nice. Then the color temperature, we can simply turn this. We turn it one way and we get it warm. It goes from 2500 degrees Kelvin up to 6500 degrees Kelvin. Pretty warm, almost like a candlelight at 2500 degrees Kelvin, and 6500 degrees Kelvin would be kind of like an open shade look outside where you've got the blue sky doing most of the light. One thing odd about this color temperature is there's no numbers or anything on this. As we change this color temperature, it just simply turns. So it's more or less by eyeball. You're kind of matching the colors of the tones. In the studio, the lights that I use are about 3400 degrees Kelvin, quartz halogen bulb. If I turn this, then my eyes tell me that that's about right there, the light that's coming out or the light that's on me. Of course, we can make it warmer, and then we go all the way up to 6500, and it's quite a blue cast of light. It does have a dimmer switch, so we can turn this down and up, so we can make it brighter or dimmer. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple little unit. There's where you plug in your USB-C to charge. It does have 3 additional cold shoe mounts, so you could mount other lights or a microphone or different things on there. But that's where I came up with a problem with this guy. This cold shoe that's on here, right here, this part, it's too thick to fit into the shoe mount on my camera. It does fit into the shoe mount that they provide and can tighten down. This thing's pretty thick, but this plastic, the way they designed this, it's too thick to fit in my camera's shoe mount. So that was a little frustrating. I was going to use this actually on camera to provide a little bit of soft fill light to demo it out and test it out, and I could not do that. So what do I think about this light? Well, I'm trying to remember what it costs, and I actually can't remember, so I'm going to put it as a graphic right here, right down below, so you can see what it is. Would I get it? I don't know. If I didn't have a light, maybe it'd be okay. I know there's other lights that are less expensive that have kind of the same amount of output as this guy does, and maybe have some kind of a readout to let you know where you are in Kelvin temperature. It's got a non-removable diffuser on it to kind of soften the light a little bit. Yeah, I guess it's okay, the hot shoe and all. So it's Probably not the first one that I would run out and grab, but it's not awful. It does seem to be pretty solidly built. It is rechargeable, which is nice. It's something I'm gonna be happy to just kind of throw in my camera bag. I'll put a link to this guy below in the description below. Let me know what you think about these small product reviews. If you want me to keep doing them, if you find it helpful or not, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know. We're gonna be getting back to some landscape photography stuff fairly soon. Fall is coming up in Michigan. We've been pretty busy in our household. I kind of alluded to that in an earlier video. The changes are all very, very positive, but really, we are looking forward to this next phase of our life. As always, I'm James Fisher. This is Vintage Insight Photography, hoping that my vintage knowledge can give you some insight in some older gear and some photography techniques to help make you a better photographer. If you like this, hit that like button. That helps the YouTube algorithm to know that you enjoyed this video and helps show these videos to more and more people. I really enjoy putting these together, and hopefully we're kind of spreading the joy and spreading the knowledge here. Thanks so much. You have a great rest of your day. I'm James Fisher. This is Vintage Insight Photography, and today we're going to be looking at the Samtian, what they call probably don't have good colors and all. I'm probably blinding you with the shine off my head. All in all, what do I think about this guy? You know, it would help if I knew how much it cost. That would, anyway, I should probably look it up to see how much it costs, shouldn't I? But hit that like button. That helps the YouTube algorithm. You have a great rest of your day.